Hi guys, welcome to C++ video tutorial series. In this video, I would like to discuss nested if and if-else statements in C++. If required, we can put an if statement inside another if or if-else statement. If required, we can put an if statement inside another if or if-else statement. Or we can put an if-else statement inside another if or if-else statement. If required, we can put if-else statement inside another if or if-else statement, guys, which is actually called as nesting of if or if-else statements in C++. Let's understand nesting of if or if-else statements in C++ with an example program to find largest of three integer numbers. Program to find largest of three integer numbers. I go to code blocks. Here I am going to create three integer variables. Int a equals to 50. Int b equals to 40, int c equals to 30. Now I have to write a program to say which variable has largest integer number. Here I say if a is greater than b, if a is greater than b, if a is greater than c, if a is greater than b as well as a is greater than c, then definitely a is largest, right? So here I say cout. I say here a is largest. I save this. If I say build and run, definitely displays a is largest. Why? Because here first it checks whether a is greater than b. A is 50, b is 40. 50 greater than 40 is true, so it comes inside. It checks whether a is greater than c. A is 50, c is 30. 50 greater than 30 is true, so it displays a is largest. Else I say here cout c is largest. Now what happens? Let's say if I say c is 60, what happens now? First it checks whether a is greater than b. A is 50, b is 40. 50 greater than 40 is true, so it comes inside and checks whether a is greater than c. A is 50, c is 60. 50 greater than 60 is false. 50 greater than 60 is false, so it comes here and displays c is largest. If I say build and run, you see it displays c is largest, right? What if b is 80? What happens now? It checks whether a is greater than b, right? 50 greater than 80 is false. So as this condition is false, it will not go here inside. It comes down. So here I check else if b is greater than c. B is greater than c. I say here cout b is largest. If I run this code, definitely we get the output b is largest. You see, b is largest. Why b is largest? Because it checks whether a is greater than b. 50 greater than 80 is false. It comes down. It checks. Now b is 80, c is 60. 80 greater than 60 is true. It displays b is largest. Else I say here cout c is largest. So this is how we write a program to find largest of three integer numbers in C++, guys. If required, we can put an if inside another if. We can put if else inside another if or if else, which is actually called as nesting of if or if else in C++, guys. I suggest you people to try this program, understand. If you still have any doubts, feel free to put them in the comment section. I'll be happy to clear, guys. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about C++ in depth, step by step. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.